Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you a tutorial of how to make a cartoon man in Drawing Cartoons 2. So you can see the 5 cartoon man which I have made here. This is the first one and this is the latest one which I have made. So it's very easy to make a man and I thought I could show my friends how to make it. So you can see there are many shadings in some cartoon. This is one good shading. Here also I have made the head shading, the hair shading. Here I didn't make any face and here it looks just like good characters. Now let's get started first how to make a character. So before you make a character you will need a shablon. A shablon means I will just show you now. This is a shablon. This is by Papercraft Animations. I'll give you the link for shablon. A shablon makes us easy to make a character because it is just a shadow of a character, so you can just draw upon it. So here you can see the parts of the shablon and this is the shablon here. So this is easy for making a character using a shablon. So let's get started. So first we are going to color the character, second we are going to give the shade, and third we are going to make the hair of the character. So we'll keep the head of the character last. First we'll color it. So this is the body, we are going to edit it, click color, and then I'm going to put something like a red color. Click on paint and double click. If you double click it will get automatically colored. We'll make it for every item. This one I'm going to make it blue. Click on paint. Do the same thing for all the characters here. Click on paint and double click it. And this one I'm going to make it red. Here, click on red, paint, double click. And the hands I'm going to give a special color. I'll give it green, paint. And then this is my other hand here. Here also I'm going to give it paint. Our hand is left behind here, we'll shade it afterwards. So we are done with the body, the shirt, the pants and the arms. So we'll now go to the shading part. First we will just shade this body. For that we'll take some black color for shading. Black color is the best for shading here. And then we are going to just shade it like, rarely just shade it. Just make stripes of your own. Make it, don't make more stripes, you're going to ruin your character. Make less stripes. We're making the stripes for making the character more realistic. Now you can see the character is little realistic there. We'll make it for all. Here and one big patch here. You can also use other colors for shading. The main color for shading is black and white. I use white here, and we'll just have the width, the opacity little less. Yes. Okay, we're done with that. We'll do the same thing for the body here too. Bucket and then fill with. So we're done with the body. We'll make it to the hands here. First we are going to color with black here, color it like little patches, and then take the white color, and then that's it. So this is going to be applicable for both of the arms. If you want you can separate it because that's easy for us, because when the shablon is applicable for both of the arms we just need to do one arm. Here select the black color and shade it. We can make the black color in different opacity, the blackish one here, and then we'll take white, use white here too. Okay, now it's looking little realistic. Do same thing for your pants too. Here take black and then this much is enough for the pants. This one too, I'll just make a big hump here. Sorry, with the paint here, I'll make a big hump and then a bit of like this. Okay, we're done with that. Now the character is looking good. We'll just make it a little more shading in the lower leg, white shade. Yeah, we're done with that. Now we'll make the shoes here and then click on the shoes which is here, edit it. We'll give the color, we'll give orange color for the shoe, double click, done with that. Now we're going to give something like a patch of grey. I just reverse it back, making the opacity a little less. It's going to be good. It's going to be good here now. Yeah, it's good now. Yeah, good. We're done with that. And if you want for the hands here, I don't want to mess up this hand. We'll just make some patch here. Yeah, now that we're done with the hands, legs and the body of the character, let's jump to the head. So just click on the head, edit head, and this is a difficult part because head is little difficult, so we're going to zoom it in using this option here and that blue thing, and just zoom it in, zoom it out or zoom it in. So we're done with this. Now we're going to make the hair. So here I'm going to give a black color hair, and the tutorial of making hair is click on this edge, make it like this. Okay, this is opacity low. We'll make it again, put the opacity more higher, and then start here. This takes some time for making this as it is very difficult. Okay, this is so tough because I just learned today how to make it. Yeah, now it's good looking. We'll just try it again last time. Yeah, now it's good. We'll just give it a shade here, something like, yeah, now it's good. Now we're going to give it a nose. Select a color according, so this should be combining to this color. Now give a nose something like this. Yeah, we're done with the nose too. And then here, after doing with the nose, we're going to select white for the eye. The eye patch is a little difficult. It'll take some time for making the eye patch. Okay, this is it. Okay, now select the black one and carefully make the inner eye patch. This is also a bit difficult, but it'll take some time. Just again and again, just do it. Yeah, now we're done with that. Now we'll just make a small eye patch inside that. Yeah, now we're done with that too. It is a good looking character now. Now we'll make the ears of the character. Select black and the width should be so little small, and then we are going to make the ear here. This will take some time too. Yeah, done with that. Okay, we're done with that ear. We'll just make a little patch here. Yeah, so we're done with that ear. It's a little difficult for making the ear. And then now here we got to take something, this paint here, for making the mouth. So for making the mouth, yeah, this is a good thing, but we just need a realistic one, not a sad face. Okay, this is a good one. We'll just align it. So now we're done with it head here. Now let's get started for the shading of the head. Edit it. Now here we got to shade it. So click here and click the opacity super low and width a little high. Now we got a shade. In each, if you see a human being, there be some shading in down of their eyes. We are going to do using the paint tool. We are going to just, or we're going to use the brush tool. Everything is fine. I'll just use the paint tool if possible. Okay, brush is more better. So we just make it a top layer like this, and behind the eyes, down the mouth, and in the nose a little bit. Now we are going to add some color, which means some of the shading went up the head. We just need to clean that. Use paint. Okay, you have to clean a little more. Just draw upon it like this, and we are done with that. Here we are going to draw the nose here. Use the width a little more smaller for the nose. Just draw a line like this. Yeah, this is just my first tutorial. I am going to launch new one also, because I am also studying. I have also started studying drawing cartoons too. So it will also take me time for making new tutorials. So we're done with that here. We'll just have a patch here too. Width. Okay, so we are done with that character here. Finish off his head here. Yeah. Okay, now you can see the head is so big because I have done the alignment like that. Click on that alignment tool and align the head as per the body. Aligned is okay. Okay, this is a small head, a little more bigger. We'll make it okay. Yeah, now it's okay here. You can see. We'll just align the head. Yeah, now it's good. Here we just need to click on this neck here. This small neck also needs some shading. Click on black and just shade its neck like this. If you want, you can also do extra shading for your head like this. I don't want that, making the character too old. Yeah, now that's okay. Here. So you can see the character is so good here. We'll just go to item preview, and here is our character. It's so easy to make the character. You can use this character. I'm going to post this on my VK. Link is in the description. You can use this character as a superhero, or in action movies, or in horror movies, thriller movies. And I'm also going to post my other characters. So for saving it, click on save as and save it as my Guy 6. Here, Guy 6 by Immortal Studios. I'm also going to give the link of the Schablon. Link is in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.